Hey YouTube, this is Facia and this is Simply Lavish at Home. Today is Thirsty Thursday, and if you're new to the channel, Thirsty Thursday is when I bring you a new cocktail to serve at your next party or because work was hard that day. Today's drink is a Buck Naked Bellini. Yes, you heard me, Buck Naked Bellini. Check it out. You may wonder why I chose to call this a Buck Naked Bellini. It's because it is made with Naked brand Mighty Mango juice. So that is the naked part. In addition, we have some pineapple juice, some rum, some whatever sparkling wine or champagne that you like, and some lime. Now, what makes it Buck is my secret ingredient, and that ingredient is jalapeno peppers. I like the contrast with the very sweet of the mango and the jalapeno, and this is not an entirely very sweet because there's no added sugar in the mango juice or in the pineapple juice, so you can adjust it if you wanted to make it a little sweeter with some simple syrup to kind of bring back the bite on that jalapeno. But either way, that's the nice thing about making drinks, is that you can make it to your own taste. So then we start the mix. You can see in my jug that I had already started and made some, but forgot to press record, so I have to start all over. So what we have here is my sliced jalapenos. I sliced them very, very thin. And you know the heat of the jalapeno is in the membrane and in the seeds. So taking out the seeds of the membrane will adjust the heat if you don't want too much heat. I left some in so that I can get a really good jalapeno flavor. There's no particular order to this, so you just go ahead and dump in your ingredients. So there I've put in my jalapenos, and I'm making sure I get all of those good seeds in there. I'm adding my mango juice and giving that a stir, and as I stir, I'm kind of mashing the jalapenos to release some of their juices. Then I have the pineapple juice, and I apologize, I always somehow end up with my left hand in the camera. And my juice of a lime. So that's actually half a lime. So when you're making this, and therein goes my rum, in case you missed it. And so when you're making this drink, about 1 cup of mango juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, and 2 ounces of rum will make servings for probably about 3 people. So that is what you want to do, and then in that amount, so you would multiply it based on however many people that you want to serve, and I will put the exact recipe in. So since this is a drink that is good when you set those ingredients overnight, you want to give the jalapeno a good chance to release its flavors. I have these bottles that I love, and I mentioned in my Build Your Bar video, I'll link that in the description, that I'm going to dispense it to. It has a nice cover, and I'm going to use my funnel to add that to the bottle. So there I'm just go ahead and pour it in using the funnel to make sure the pour is neat. And I just love these little bottles. It's really cute for display. And just it's practical because it has its own lid, never gets lost. It's attached to the thing. It's attached to the bottle itself. And then make sure you get in and make those jalapenos fall through. So I'm using the back of my wood spoon to push those jalapenos all the way in and make sure it all gets in. And when it has had a chance to mellow and all the flavors incorporated, you're ready to serve this. So you just pour into your glass, and if you recognize those glasses, they are from my video on Sunday on my personalized champagne flutes that are disposable. I'm going to put a link to that in the description. You just want to pour about halfway, about 4 ounces into your cup, and then fill the rest of the way of the champagne or sparkling wine of your choice. Make sure you let those suds set a little bit and top it off with the rest of that. Get all the, and it's okay if you have some jalapenos, you can take them out or you can just let them sit in there. And for a little bit of garnish, you add a little slice of lime. So there we have our buck naked Bellini. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe to Simply Lavish at Home and hit that little bell that lets you know every time I post a video. If you're following me on any social media and you happen to make any of the projects that you see here, please feel free to tag me. I'd love to see them. Message me, whatever you like. I'd love to see what you're doing. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Here's to living simply lavishly. Cheers.